All right, so we are trying to solve another problem from JEE Main 2020. And in this question, there is an equation of a line which is given. And the condition is saying that this line is actually tangent to both the parabolas, y square equals to 4x and x square equals to 2by. So we need to find out the relation of b, as in like what is the value of b. So one thing which is simply given here is that this is a line which is tangent to both the parabola, and we know that a line which is which is tangent to a parabola which is of this form, which is y square equals to 4ax, is y equals to mx plus a by m, right? So this is a slope form of tangent. So this is a condition for tangency as well. So here what we can see, the equation given is y square equals to 4x, meaning that a is actually equal to 1. So if I want to write the equation of tangent, then this will be y equals to mx plus 1 by m. What is given to me is y equals to mx plus 4. So here I can compare and say that 1 by m is actually equal to 4, or m is actually equal to 1 by 4. So my equation of tangent now is changed to 1 by 4x plus 4. Now, if this line is actually tangent to this parabola, then if I substitute the value of y in this equation, then it just becomes a quadratic, and then this quadratic should have only one solution. That is what we do generally. So we will substitute y in this equation, x square equals to 2b times y. Y is actually 1 by 4x plus 4. So by substituting this, what we're trying to find out is that the point of intersection of this curve, right? And as this is a tangent, then there will be only one point of intersection. And that's the reason we actually later on put a condition that this equation will have only one root. So right now, let's just go ahead and multiply. So this is 2b into 1 by 4x, which will become bx by 2. And this will become 8b. Now I can bring everything one side. This will become x squared minus bx by 2 plus not plus, minus 8b. Just be careful with all the signs, otherwise you will end up with a wrong result. Now let's multiply with 2, then this will become 2x squared minus bx minus 16b, and that is actually going to be equal to 0. So basically what I've done is I've taken an LCM, or let's do this in 2 steps. I've taken the LCM of 2 and then multiplied this. So with this, I can say that this is 2x squared minus bx minus 16b equals to 0. And we are saying that this equation should have equal roots, or one root itself, meaning it has to have this discriminant of this quadratic should be 0. Now, if the discriminant of this quadratic should be 0, then b square minus 4ac, which is, or you could say that b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So whatever be the values of b and all that, we will substitute here. So minus b whole squared minus 4 into 2, which is a into c, which is minus 16b, is going to be equal to 0. So we will have b square, and then this will be 128b, right? So yeah, 128b equals to 0. So this implies that b, and I'll take common, so b plus 1 by b plus 128 is 0. So this implies that b is actually either 0 or minus 128. Now b cannot be 0. Why? Because if b becomes 0, then this will become x square will become 0 itself. This will not remain a parabola, right? So b will be rejected. This will be rejected. So only value of b which is possible is minus 128. And that is one of your options. And this is what is your option here. All right. So yeah, that's all we have to do in this question. We just had to compare the coefficient here, as in we should look at the equation of tangent, compare it with the tangent which we know generally, and then find the value of m, and then substitute the equation of tangent into another equation, and then find the value of b. All right. So that's all for this question. If you have any questions, please do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.